95% of international entrepreneurs never even start their US business. Not because they lack the talent, the idea, or drive, but because they hit a wall of paperwork, confusing rules, and banks that just say no to non-residents. What if you could bypass that wall? What if you had a clear step-by-step map to legally form a US company, open a US bank account, and tap into the world's largest market, all from your home country? My name is Elisha, and this is Unlocking US Business for the World. This channel is your bridge. We take the most complex, intimidating processes, getting your ITIN, forming a Wyoming LLC, opening a Mercury bank account, and turn them into simple, actionable steps. Whether you're starting an AI automation agency, launching a Shopify brand, or selling digital products, we cover it. No fluff, no hype, just proven pathways and real results. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and the trusted partnerships you need to succeed. Your US business is no longer just a dream, it's a plan waiting to be executed. Subscribe now. Your first step, getting your ITIN, the master key that unlocks everything. We've partnered with certified experts to make it safe and fast for you. Check the description for the link and use code Elisha50 to get started. Welcome to Unlocking US Business for the World. Let's begin.